Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I got another great product review video coming your way. And Garage Boss has sent us in this gas can to do a product review for them on. It's pretty cool. I've been messing around with it for about a week or so. And this thing is great if you have like an ATV or a snowblower or a lawnmower or something like that they need to fuel up. And you're so tired of those new cans that are on the market with the safety clasp on them. You got to tip your can over. You got to push the nozzle onto the fill tube of your ATV. You get gas all over the tank of your ATV. Now you got to wipe it off so it doesn't mess up the plastic. This will hopefully solve a lot of those issues, and I'm pretty excited about this product, and it's really kind of neat. So if you want to find out a little bit about it, where to buy it, go to GoGarageBoss.com. That's their website. That's what it looks like up on the screen right here. I'm going to put a link in the description of the video so you can check out the description. Click on the link, shoot over to their website, and see what else they have. They have a lot of great products on their website. It's really neat stuff. So with that said, let's get rolling into this, and I'll show you what it's all about. So the gas can comes in a couple different pieces. The spout is in 2 pieces, and I noticed inside the can right here, there's like a mesh sleeve. And I did some research on this, and it's supposed to help with like the fuel control coming out of the spout. And it also helps to reduce the risk of a fire. If you happen to be fueling something up, the motor may be hot, the gas somehow catches on fire and it goes up towards the can. That's supposed to help prevent fires and explosion as well, so you want to leave it in there. So I'm going to put some gas in the can, and let's put the spout together. We'll attach it to the can, and I'll see how this works. The tip of the spout goes right onto the handle part, base. Just kind of screw the two together. And there's a trigger mechanism right here that helps to let the flow of gas out. You press it in, and inside the spout, that little plunger comes out, has a seal on it, and that turns the gas off or on, coming out of the can. So put that on like this. So what you want to do is you want to hold the nozzle straight, and there's a little tip right here and a little ratchet piece right here, and that's going to ratchet in there and secure the nozzle so that it doesn't move, or that this little collar on the base doesn't come undone on you. So it kind of holds it secure into there. So one thing I wanted to demonstrate before we fill up one of the lawnmowers or the snowblower, with this gas can, you can take the cover off the tip. It screws on, which is nice. It stays in place, won't fall off. And when you go to fuel something up, you're going to press the red button in, and then if you put the nozzle like inside of the gas tank, I'm going to use this old glass that I have that I'm never going to use again. I'm going to throw it out after this. But I wanted to demonstrate the product and how it'll stop dispensing fuel when it hits the tip of the nozzle. So here comes the fuel level. As soon as the tip of the nozzle hits it, it stops. So you can release the button, tip the gas can back a little bit. A little bit more might come out that's in the nozzle here, but it doesn't come flying out like the gas cans that have that safety lock on them. A lot of times that safety lock gets stuck and the gas keeps coming out. It goes all over the place. So that's pretty cool. You can get the level up to where you need it, give yourself like another inch or so, and it'll stop. The rest will come out of the spout, and you're good and clean. All right, so let's demonstrate using the new Gas Blast gas can on a lawnmower. I have an old gas can here with the green collar that you click in place. So you got to put the lock on. This thing's getting old. There's a little tab right there that you have to put inside the spout to activate it, to push it down, which is a pain. So you gotta stick the nozzle in, click it like that, the gas comes out, you go to take it up, and oh my god, gets all over the place. So with the Garage Boss gas can, there's nothing to press in. I've got a nice little grip right here under the handle for my fingers. I've got a button right here that I kind of push forward a little bit and push in. Works pretty easy. So now I'm up to the correct level. I release the button. I'm going to let what's left in the spout out into the tank. Tip up. And nothing's spilt all over the place. Right, so one of the biggest pains has to be fueling up a snowblower. You guys know all about it. You just got done snowblowing your driveway. You're halfway through. There's 3 feet of snow. You're in a blizzard. It's 5 degrees out. We've all been there. So now you're fueling up to your snowblower. You take your gas can like this, and you're trying to press down, and you go to yank it up when the fuel level gets up there. The fuel spills all over the place. This is actually an Aaron snowblower. It has a gas chute that I call. There's a little metal piece here that wicks the gas away. I think that's what it's there for. From the motor, it comes flying out of there. So now you've got gas all over, a hot machine. So now with the Garage Boss fuel can, you can put your nozzle in. Press the button right here. Get what you need. Click it off. Tap out what little is left over in the spout. No gas pouring all over the place. Nothing on a hot motor. You can put your cap back on. And now you're good to go. Still blow some more snow. That gas can is pretty cool. I liked it a lot. I enjoyed using it. When I was doing the glass demonstration, I kind of thought of one thing afterwards. I had that spout pretty far down into that glass. It was the fuel level was way down there. But when you're filling up a tank, the nozzle's not going to be that far down. Like I demonstrated on the lawnmower and the snowblower, the tip is only going to be like that far in. So once the fluid level hits it, it's going to shut off. You release the button, you can easily get the gas out of the spout so it doesn't go all over the place. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, definitely leave a comment and I'll reply back to them, or maybe even the manufacturer will. And I invite you guys to do that. I like to have you guys interact on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of great content coming out. I've always got product coming my way from manufacturers to demo for you guys to let you know what's new on the market or something cool you might want to see. This is one of them. Like I said at the beginning, definitely go check out the website. It's gogaragebos.com, and a link to the description. Link to it is in my description. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.